Hello and welcome. My name is Anil Patel and I'm going to show installation of Oracle Database XE11G for learning purpose. And I would recommend and suggest to install Oracle Database XE Express Edition because that is one of the pretty database. I love that database, and it has the same functionality like whether normal Oracle database 11G, Oracle database 12C, and there are so many databases, but this Oracle database 11G XE is one of the lightweight database and we can install in Windows operating system without any difficulties. Okay, so let's get started. So simply we have to search in Google because Oracle is one of the very dynamic and very big website. So or simply we have to type in URL oracle.com, and inside the products we have to search, like inside the software we have to go to Oracle database, then inside that we have to search. Okay, but I would not do this, and before that we have to create one account in oracle.com, and that's totally free of cost. We no need to pay anything. And one good thing about the Oracle softwares which really I love, so we no need to pay anything to use the Oracle software for learning purpose until and unless we are not using for corporates and commercial purpose. So we can use all the softwares. So now simply we'll type in URL or in Google search Oracle database XE11G. Then simply we have to search in download. So I will put this URL in description. So okay, now here in main page you can see we have Oracle database 18C Express Edition, but I would recommend 11G because I have been using databases for past 10 years, and trust me, all databases are the same. What 10 or 15 years ago or 20 years ago what commands we were using, still we are using the same commands. But yeah, speed and volumes are increasing day by day. Maybe whatever 10 years ago we were using some select query, so maybe it was taking 5 seconds, but these days for the same query result we are getting in fraction of seconds. So that is a difference in speed and internal architecture. Okay, so now we'll scroll down and go to prior release archive. So click on prior release archive, and here we have multiple options. Oracle database 11G release 2 Express Edition for Windows 64-bit. If you are using Windows 32-bit operating system, so just you can download for 32-bit or for Linux. So I would download Oracle database 11G Express Edition for Windows 64-bit. So you have to create a account and it's free of cost. So simply we'll click on download and accept Oracle license agreement, then click on download zip file. So I have already downloaded this software, so I will simply go to download folder and I will unzip. So just I have showed how to install 7-zip to unzip the zip files. So if you want to know how to install, so please click on I button and you will get. So I will right click, and here you get this is the setup for Oracle database, and we'll right click and go to 7-zip, and here we have multiple options. So we will use extract to Oracle XE 112 _win64. It will create one folder and unzip all files inside this. So now you can see it's pretty fast. Now inside this folder, unzipped folder, we have disk 1 and we have setup. So simply right click setup, right click on setup and run as administrator, or simply double click. So I will run as administrator or double click, then one pop-up will appear which is not I think able to capture in my screen recording. Now you can see installation wizard has been appeared in screen. Friends, if you are new in database, so you no need to worry about the databases. All databases are same. In my 11 years of career in IT industry, I have worked almost all databases: Oracle database, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Spark SQL, NetExa, Vertica database, and again a couple of databases I have worked, and all are the same. There is no difficulty at all. Like how we are using suppose some operating system. So if we have used like Windows 7 operating system, so how difficulty we are facing when we are using Windows 10, or if we are using iPhone X, then how much difficulty we are facing when we are using iPhone 11. So the same relation between all the databases. Okay, so now welcome window appears, then we have to click on next, then accept all terms and condition, then next, and it will take around 631 MB, and location, we can change the location of the installation as well. So by default it's taking C drive. Okay, so I will continue with this, and we'll enter password. So please enter some simple password. Sometimes we are entering the password and after installation we forget the password, so always use simple password. Now setup is in progress, and hardly it will take 3 to 5 minutes. Then after installation of database, we will download Oracle SQL Developer. Why Oracle SQL Developer? Because to connect Oracle SQL Developer is the user interface to work with the database. So we will connect SQL Developer with the database and we will write the query. We can connect databases with the command prompt as well, but command prompt is not as friendly as SQL Developer. In SQL Developer we can simply copy, paste, save multiple commands. So upcoming videos related with SQL Developer. So we will discuss about the basic commands in the SQL, or SQL is the language, structured query language. So SQL is not a database. SQL is the language to communicate with the database. So in upcoming videos we will learn basic concept of database, how we are working with the databases in IT industries, what are the day-to-day activities of the software engineers who are working in database fields, and there are some 15-20 commands which always we use. Even we have some 200 or 500 SQL functions, but hardly 10 to 15 only we are using in day-to-day use. So as database is being installed, and now you can see here in desktop like XE icon has been appeared, but this icon we will not use. So simply we will delete this icon and we will download Oracle SQL Developer. And after installation of SQL Developer, when we will connect, so sometimes we are facing some difficulties, and how to solve that also we will discuss in upcoming videos. So keep watching this channel to get knowledge on databases and all BI trending technologies, BI tools, big data, machine learning. Now it's configuring the database, and there are some internal configuration files, so those files are taking time. Okay, so installation has been completed successfully. Now click on finish. Okay, now first step after clicking on finish, in desktop there is an icon for XE, so simply we have to delete this. So simply I have deleted. Now next step, friends, we will going to download SQL Developer, Oracle SQL Developer. Then we will connect with Oracle database. Thank you for watching.